line by line we can go, yeah.
Okay.
Piece by pieces.
We're going. Thanks.
So improvisation pieces for Raag Gavati. You can start from the flat knee. Second piece. Oscillate the knee like this. How? So knee oscillation is how? So we are slightly moving knee from its position, and that effect of oscillation will come. Third piece. Pani ni sare sa. That is the third piece. So together these pieces will make first line of improvisation. Okay, let us play them in the group of 2-2. So starting was exactly. Third line. Right. Then sa to natural ga bend. Knee sa ga. So on the flat knee it will be exactly. Very nice. So this duration of Satuga is important. We should not play it in hurry. So total full glide from Satuga. Let us play it again. Excellent. And then come a resa phrase. that, another line can be Nire sare 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 nisa. What I am playing. So ma pa and pasani. Pasani is, so pa to sa you will slide and then come back to flat knee.
Could you please do that one again?
To sa is a slide. Stopping at flat knee.
I see.
Right. Very nice. Dhapama and pa.
Could you do it again? I'm sorry. I think I played while you were playing.
Yeah. So it is
Sorry?
Gamarisa. Then so pani nisa sa. Pa, and then I am pulling at the fret of dha. Sani nisa. Like this is pa sani, right? Exactly. Then ni sa re sa ni sa re. So it is ni sa re sa ni sa re sa.
Doing it all on me?
Yeah, it is played like Ni is always sunny, so right. Let us try it again.
Beautiful. I'm gonna have a different guitar next time.
So it is. Here we are oscillating little. This is oscillation.
Where is the oscillation taking place?
Yeah, oscillation is. Sa. Come back to flat knee quickly. Right. Okay, so. Very close. So practice only half part.
Oh, it's so hard in there.
Right.
But all the oscillation is between knee and sa.
Yes.
Okay.
Same line can be extended from pa also, like. So coming from pa. Right. Sa Nisani. So right. Oscillation at the natural. So the way we oscillated flat knee, we have an oscillation of flat knee. Similar oscillations can be done at ga also.
Fret of Re?
Yeah, on the fret of Re, straight ga, without mixing refrain. So this is on the up to five note we are going. So you can try it on the fret of re. It is ni sa ga ma pa ga ma re sa, which is a important phrase of Gauti. It's played like. On sitar, everything will be played on the fret of sa. You can try it on the fret of re.
Could you please do that one more time? Wait.
Exactly. Right. Ni sa ga ga ma pa.
Shirish, thank you so much. Thank you for your patience today with the recording.
No problem.
I really appreciate it. I added your name and the school and everything on that video. It's in there. I'll just keep
Yes.
adding that if it's okay. Yeah, thank you. Next week it's okay.
Yes. Next week
I
is
should be
okay.
more prepared next week. I'm gonna try to have a different guitar, a little more set up to bend. So thank you, Sheriff. You have a great
Thank you.
week.
Thanks.
Okay,
Yeah.
bye.